Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to zoom in CapCut PC. So I already opened my CapCut and then I want to zoom in this video, this love with neon color video. I want to zoom in. Actually the visual is already zoomed in, but I will show you how to make it more zoom in. First, you have to click the video on the timeline, and then on the right here you can see the scale, and then you can see this is on the rectangle. This is the rectangle icon. You can see add keyframe. So I have to click add keyframe, first keyframe, and then I will add second keyframe. And then I will add another keyframe. So I add 3 keyframes. So the first keyframe is the video will be try to zoom in, and then on the second keyframe until the last keyframe, it will be going back to the normal. So what we have to do on the middle keyframe here, you put the scale of your video, for example 500. So this is zoom in, so the video will be zooming in. So I will play it for you. See on here, the scale is already zooming in, and then we'll be back zooming out after the second keyframe, and then be back to the normal after the last keyframe, the third keyframe. So, oops. Why I lost the keyframe? Wait, maybe you don't realize. Oops, wait, I will set it 500, or I just, let's say I want to zooming out, let's say into 10% like this. So I will play it. See, it is zoom out and then zooming in like that. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you can click the thanks button below, we will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.